If you want to export your video as an MP4 in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact export settings to use so you can get a clean, high-quality MP4 file ready for YouTube, social media, or anywhere else you need it. And if this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Adobe Premiere Pro and make sure your edit is finished. Once you're ready to export, go up to the top menu and click File, then Export, then Media. You can also use the faster shortcut Ctrl+M on Windows. That takes you straight to the Export Settings window, which is where all the important choices are made. Now look for the Format option. This is one of the most important steps because if you want your video exported as an MP4 file, you should set the format to H.264. H.264 is the standard export format for MP4 and it gives you a great balance of quality and file size. So once you select H.264, Premiere Pro will automatically prepare the export as an .mpp4 file. Next, you can choose a preset if you want to save time. If you're not sure what to pick, a good option is Match Source, High Bitrate. This is usually the recommended choice because it keeps the settings close to your original sequence while still giving you solid quality. If you're exporting for online video, you can also pick a YouTube preset or a 1080p preset depending on your project. The preset is optional, but it can make the process much easier if you want a quick starting point. After that, go to Output Name. This is where you choose the file name and the folder where your exported video will be saved. Click on Output Name, then browse to the location you want, give your file a clear name, and click Save. This step is important because it helps you find your finished MP4 file quickly after export. Now take a moment to check the basic settings. Make sure the resolution matches your sequence. For example, if your project is 1920 by 1080, your export should usually stay at 1920 by 1080. If you're working in vertical format for Shorts or TikTok, then your export might be 1080 by 1920. You also want the frame rate to match your timeline so the video plays smoothly and looks professional. Just below that, make sure both export video and export audio are checked. If you accidentally turn off export video, your file won't include the picture. If you turn off export audio, you'll lose the sound. So always double check those boxes before moving on. Once everything looks good, you're ready to export. If you want Premiere Pro to export the file immediately, click Export. That sends the video straight out as an MP4. If you want to keep working while the file renders, click Q instead. That sends the project to Adobe Media Encoder, where it can export in the background while you continue editing. And that's it. You've now exported your video as an MP4 in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. If you followed along, you should have a properly formatted .mp4 file saved in the location you chose, ready to upload or share. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.